What is the sum of all even numbers from 2 to 40? Okay, so may shortcut tayo para dito. So ibig sabihin nito 2 plus 4 plus 6 hanggang makaabot tayo ng 40. So plus 38 plus 40. So ang shortcut para dito ay n over 2 times n over 2 plus 1, where n is the greatest even number. So 2 to 40. So magagamit ang shortcut na to kapag nagsimula tayo sa 2. So 2 to 40, ang n natin ay 40. So therefore we have 40 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 times 40 divided by 2 plus 1. So ibig sabihin lang niya 40 divided by 2 we have 20, and then ito yung next number lang, so that is 21. So multiply lang natin yan. So 2 times 21, so that is equal to 42. Tapos lagyan na lang natin ng 0. So therefore, the correct answer is 420, letter B. Follow for more.